Y'all, something came in the mail today, and I'm super excited to show you guys, so let me show you. Hi. I'm so excited. Shout out to Tunchi. So dangerous. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Check this out. I've never had a carbon fiber front lip before, by the way, so I'm super excited about this. Like, literally, this is so dope. Oh my gosh, the color. Oh my god, no way. She's about to look so sexy on my car. Okay, let me put her away now. We don't want to scratch her up yet. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a weird position, I know. Currently on the floor. Yes, you're welcome. But today we're going to be doing my first install on my car. We're going to be installing a carbon fiber front lip. If you guys are in the market for carbon fiber parts, head over to 190 Performance and use my code for 10% off. And yeah, I'm super excited. Oh my gosh. Let's get into it. Got my passenger princess with me. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first thing we got to do is we're going to jack the car up. And I'm doing two videos, one for Instagram and one for YouTube, so bear with me. First things first, safety glasses, so we could be safe. First things first, y'all. Gotta jack up the car and get her done. We're good. Or now that we're under the car, technically, right? We just have a couple things that we gotta take off. It's not gonna take that long. I'll show you guys so you guys can, if you guys are gonna do your own front lip, you kind of know you don't have to pay somebody to do it. Unless you want to pay me. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. Pretty much, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, there's little, right here, see? These little screws, they go all along, like this whole thing, and you have to take them off, and that plastic piece right there is gonna come off too.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that I finished that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. It's that literally that simple. You just, well, let me not jinx myself, but it's that simple so far. Let's do this. So we had to drill some holes into the bumper, but I'm having him do it because he's more experienced. So thank you sir. All right, now done with this process. So now I'm gonna drop it and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Bro, stop playing right now. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, night and day difference. Literally, a front lip does so much for your car. Like, I was starting to think that my car looked goofy, and now I'm like, OMG. Oh my gosh. You guys enjoyed this quick little video of me doing a front lip install. Honestly, I can't stop staring at my car because it just looks so good now, and it's crazy to think that one little change can just make such a big difference, to the point where like I can't stop staring at it. I literally walk out and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is my car. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.